Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you know, I film all my travel and walking tours videos in 4K and 8K resolution. I currently use a Mac Mini with a small 512GB hard drive. The video files I capture in 4K and 8K are massive, so I always rely on external storage. For video editing, it is absolutely critical to have a fast and powerful data transfer device. The common issues with external drives, of course, are cost and data transfer speed. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing a piece of hardware that is absolutely essential for professional creators, the Acasis Thunderbolt 4 Dual SSD Enclosure. This is the TBU405 Pro Max model. It's a powerhouse offering 40 gigabits per second speed, dual M2 NVMe support, and crucial RAID options. If you edit high-resolution video, 4K, 6K, or even 8K, or handle huge data sets, this device promises to transform your workflow. Let's dive in and see what makes this enclosure so special. We start with the unboxing experience. The packaging has a premium feel, suggesting this is a professional-grade tool. Inside the box, you get everything you need. First, of course, is the Acasis Dual Enclosure itself. Next, you get the essential cables, a high-quality Thunderbolt 4 USB-C cable, which is vital for achieving those maximum speeds. You also get a 100-watt power adapter. This is a necessary detail, as stable, high-speed performance requires a dedicated power source. The adapter even comes with interchangeable plugs for different regions. Finally, we find the plastic and rubber holders for securing the NVMe SSDs, and a quick user guide. It's a complete package, ready to go right out of the box. Let's talk about the design and build quality. The moment you pick up the Acasis enclosure, you feel its solid construction. It is made from a durable aluminum alloy. This material is used for two main reasons. First, for durability and a professional look. Second, and more importantly, for efficient heat dissipation. High-speed NVMe drives generate a lot of heat, and this aluminum body acts as a massive heat sink. The build quality is exceptional, with a smooth finish and precise machining. On the rear, you'll find all the connectivity options. Besides the main Thunderbolt 4R USB 4 port, it also functions as a docking station. It features USB 3.2 ports for other peripherals and even a video output port, supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz. This versatility is a major benefit for creators who need a compact workspace solution. Now, let's get the drives installed. One of the best features is the tool-free installation. The side panel is held securely by magnets, allowing quick access to the internal bays. The enclosure supports two M2 NVMe SSDs. You can install up to 8 terabytes per slot, giving you a massive total capacity of 16 terabytes in RAID 0 mode. The process is very simple. Insert your M2 NVMe drive into the slot and secure it with the included rubber or plastic fastener. It locks the drive in place without any screws. Remember that this enclosure is not compatible with M2 SATA SSDs. Make sure you are using NVMe-based drives for optimal performance. Also, it's best to avoid drives with large built-in heat sinks, as they might not fit properly. Once both drives are installed, the magnetic cover snaps back into place. Installation is done in under a minute. One crucial safety note regarding installation and drive management. This Acasis enclosure does not support hot swapping. That means you must always power off the enclosure and disconnect it from your computer before you insert or remove any SSDs. This is an important safety feature to protect your data and the drives themselves from corruption or damage. Remember this rule whenever you need to change your NVMe drives. This enclosure allows for essential data configuration using RAID. You have two main choices: RAID 0 and RAID 1. RAID 0 is all about maximum performance and capacity. It stripes your data across both SSDs, doubling your read and write speeds, which is perfect for real-time video editing. This configuration also combines the total capacity of both drives, hence the 16 terabyte maximum. However, if one drive fails, you lose all your data. RAID 1, on the other hand, prioritizes data safety. It mirrors or duplicates all your data onto both SSDs. This means your total capacity is halved, but if one drive fails, your data remains safe on the other. For professionals, the ability to choose between the fastest possible speed or complete data redundancy is a huge advantage offered by Acasis. Your choice depends on your priority: performance or reliable backup. Connecting the Acasis enclosure via the Thunderbolt 4 cable unlocks its full potential. The 40 gigabits per second bandwidth translates to real-world sequential speeds of up to 2,800 megabytes per second, or even higher, depending on your SSDs. This sequential speed is the gold standard for video professionals. Faster sequential speeds mean quicker loading of high-resolution footage, smoother 8K playback without lag, and significantly faster export and rendering times. This level of performance truly allows you to edit directly from the enclosure, turning it into a powerful and portable work drive. Just a reminder, always use the included Thunderbolt 4 cable for the best results and ensure the 100-watt power adapter is connected for stable, intensive tasks. So, what's the final verdict? The Acasis TBU405 Pro Max is a premium, high-performance tool. The pros clearly outweigh the cons: incredible 40 Gbps speed, RAID flexibility for security or performance, premium aluminum build for cooling, and its docking station features. The only minor downsides are the need for external power and the potential for some heat generation under extreme load, which is typical for any high-speed enclosure. But these are small prices to pay for this level of performance. For any serious photographer, filmmaker, or creative professional needing fast, reliable, and versatile external storage, this Acasis enclosure is an excellent investment. Thank you for watching. If this review was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more gear reviews. You can find a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget, hit the notification bell for more exciting content. New video every Tuesday and Saturday.